Anurag Kashyap is considered to be one of the best contemporary directors from the Indian film industry. He is often dubbed the Tarantino or the Scorsese of the Indian cinema. While his works are influenced by several other filmmakers, he has a distinctive voice that bridges the films in his diverse career together. Unlike many other Indian directors nowadays, Kashyap truly understands the conventions of commercial Indian cinema. His movies have a balance between the sensibilities of indie and commercial cinema, of realism and surrealism, of the subjective and the objective. Even though he has made a wide range of films, there are some recurring characteristics in all of them which make them unmistakably Kashyap's. Psychology. Kashyap's characters often undergo stark emotions of anger, frustration, and sorrow, which lends emotional realism to his films. Often, these emotions lead to dire consequences influencing the plot of the film. There are some common traits to the lead characters of the film as well. For example, in Gulal and Gangs of Wasseypur, the male lead characters are spoilt, ruthless, arrogant, and violent, while the female characters are beautiful, manipulative, and ruthless. Kashyap's characters have shades of grey. They can range from someone like Shravan from Mukkabaz to Tiger Memon from Black Friday. Kashyap often makes us understand the character's trauma, motivation, and goal. This makes the audience not just sympathize, but empathize with the characters as well. An example of this can be found in Chapter 3 from Black Friday called On the Run. It documents the efforts of the police in trying to capture Badshah Khan, one of the terrorists behind the 1993 Bombay blast. It shows the motivations behind his actions and his desperate attempts to evade the police. You do not forgive the man for his actions, but you can't help but feel a little sorry for his plight. Another way Kashyap brings out the psychology of the characters is by showing how the characters see the world. We see this in Gangs of Wasseypur and in Devdi. He also uses monochromatic colors to heighten the emotions a character is going through. Another common trait found in Kashyap's characters is the influence of cinema on them. This ranges from minor dialogue referencing to a full-blown addiction. In Gangs, this influence of cinema can be more clearly seen in his characters than any of his other films.
सबके दिमाग में अपनी अपनी पिक्चर चल रही है. सब साले हीरो बनना चाह रहे हैं अपनी पिक्चर में. इस साला हिंदुस्तान में जब तक सनीमा है, लोग चूतिया बनते रहेंगे.
Finally, songs play a key role in understanding the emotions his characters are going through at that point. Unlike many other films, the songs are indispensable and are more than just a dance number. They highlight the emotions of the characters, like in Darya from Man Marziya and Dhadam Dhadam from Bombay Velvet. These songs have an interesting juxtaposition with another characteristic of Kashyap's films: realism. Kashyap's films are known to be realistic. In a way, they are. Kashyap often employs guerrilla filmmaking techniques and shoots in real locations, especially in Black Friday. He showcases the culture and his characters use the slang of the milieu in which the story takes place. This adds a deep sense of rootedness to the narrative. By his own admission, Italian neorealism has had a huge impact on Kashyap. The gritty, realistic style of the movement influenced his style, and traces of it can be seen in his filmography. Kashyap's movies do not always have a linear narrative. He uses this form of storytelling to enhance the effect on the audience. His narratives are filled with digressions and with some seeming indulgence, which serves to add more details to the world and make the characters more believable. His movies are also filled with dark and sometimes absurdist humor.
मैडम टिकट
इसने खा लिया.
क्या?
This focus on realism and the psychology of the characters add another interesting dimension to these tropes when they are ultimately subverted. Subversion. Kashyap's films are filled with heavy subversions. His protagonists either fail in achieving their goals or shift their goals. In Bhavesh Joshi Superhero, a movie which he co-wrote with Vikramaditya Motwane and Abhay Khurane, the subversion starts right from the title of the movie. Bhavesh Joshi, played by Priyanshu Penyuli, is not the conventional protagonist of the movie. It is in fact Sikandar, played by Harshvardhan Kapoor. The entire film is a subversion of such tropes. From the villains to the threat, everything is grounded and made more realistic, and that makes the stakes feel even higher. Even in the end, Sikandar isn't able to stop the ticking bomb. These touches lend freshness to the origin story template, which we have seen so many times. Love triangles tend to have conflicts that occur because of external factors like a villain, for example, and feel forced as a result. However, in Kashyap's films, the conflicts arise as a result of the flaws of the characters. Each character in Kashyap's movies have shades of grey. There is no real villain who starts the conflict. This makes the conflicts more organic and believable. Finally, in Gangs of Wasepur, Kashyap completely supplants the expectations of the masala movie and in turn delivers a postmodern movie while also delivering on the expectations of a revenge masala. Unlike in any other revenge thriller, the protagonists are remotely interested in revenge. They are either womanizers or drug addicts. The only one focused on the mission is Danish Khan, who is shot dead unceremoniously. Wasepur is a twisted, dark version of Ramgarh where there are no good and bad, but characters in different shades of grey. Even when the revenge finally happens, it isn't a traditional fist fight between the protagonist and the antagonist. Despite the diverse range of films comprising Kashyap's over, his distinct style lends a uniqueness to whichever trope or genre he uses. He elevates the daily cinema by grounding the stakes and takes us along by adding that one touch to his characters that make them relatable and interesting. With all these characteristics, Kashyap is able to find the balance between indie cinema and the commercial cinema, a balance that surprises us, challenges us, and entertains us all at the same time.